Hello ladies, this is Still Looking Good 58, the channel that reviews wigs for the mature woman, and I am sitting here with my new friend, bobbiboss Adriana. Now I have Adriana, and this is the care card, so let me show you that real fast. I have Adriana in the color RT270/4. Now Adriana is a lace part just in the middle. It's supposed to be 5 inches, I guess it is. It's a little tight, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Adriana is pretty long. I think I've got some video. Let me just show you that. I think I got some. She's really long. I don't even know, maybe 24, 28 inches, something like that. But she has just a lace part. That's all she's got. She's not like one that you can part in different places, and the lace is pretty light, so it will work for me. And this color is like it's a really dark blonde. It's not really a 613, but it's a really dark blonde. So what I'm gonna yeah, so Adriana is called a Truly Me Easy Everyday Wear wig, and I don't really know what to say about Adriana except to let you know that I don't have any nails on. Okay, we're going to put her on. And yeah, we'll talk about her a little bit after I put her on. Okay, so we're going to put her on. This is her again. She's a little bit more combed out than in the video that I just showed you. She's a little bit more combed out. She's long, and I have to say though that this color, this dark blondish color, I mean, I'm not mad at this dark blondish color. I really like this color. I'm not mad at this color at all. But yeah, we're gonna put her on. First, let's see if she's big head friendly. Woo! Okay, there she is. Not quite on my head the way she should be, but yeah, she's fitting me pretty comfortably. Yeah. So I'm going to throw her behind me so that you can see the length of her on me. Okay. There she is. Okay. Now we're going to talk about her. I'm not real happy about Adriana. I kind of was hoping that I would be happy with her. I was kind of hoping that she would be a wig that I was really liking. I was kind of hoping, you know, that she was going to be something that I really would like to wear. You know, even though it's blonde, I was taking a risk and thinking that maybe, just maybe, she might work out. You know, that maybe she might be somebody that I could like keep. That's what I was thinking. But it didn't turn out that way. Okay, first of all, she sheds like a dog. I had so much hair in my brush from this wig that it was unbelievable. Unbelievable how much this wig sheds. I mean, it was like so much hair in here the first day I combed her out. It was ridiculous. And it's to the point where the only thing I really like about this wig is the color. And yeah, it's I'm not feeling her, really. Her part was tight. That was another thing I didn't like about her. Her part was tight. And I don't know, she just disappointed me. I just didn't feel like she just isn't giving me the vibes I was kind of hoping to get from her. You know, I mean, on the care card, you know, the original hair looks like it's not even meant to be combed out. because once you comb it out, it just gets to be kind of a bushy, tangly mess. But when it's not combed out, like when you first get the wig, I like the way the hair was laying. But not now. Not now that I've brushed it. Now that I've brushed it, it's just like Lady Godiva or somebody, you know? I mean, it's doing absolutely nothing for me. And I don't know. I mean, I don't expect every wig that I get to be fabulous. But this one just has no personality at all, in my opinion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift her to one side and see what that looks like. Now, when I shift her, she's got hard tabs. So the hard tabs are going to make a difference. And I'm shifting her to the left. And yeah, I'm going to... And see, you can't really put her behind your ear under those circumstances. I mean, you can, but not really. I can probably put like a piece of hair under here like this, and then let it hang down here, and maybe do my own, like pull out my own edges or something. But she's one that definitely needs to be worked with or forgotten, one of the two. So I'm gonna stick her this piece behind my ear as well, and then pull this forward. I can wear her this way. I still don't like the wig. But I mean, she's workable. She's workable. I put heat on her, as you guys saw, and it still didn't really make much of a difference. She's shiny. And I do have some dry shampoo I can put in her, but she's not like shiny so much down here as she is where the brown is. She's more shiny at the top than she is in the rest of the hair. The rest of the hair is a nice texture, and it's not even silky to me. It's almost like it's a light yaki, but it's just, let me just back up and move this thing out of the way. It's just, you know, this is it. It's not exciting to me. I mean, it might be to somebody, but it's just not to me. It's, you know, I don't know, it's just not doing anything for me. It's just kind of here. And I don't know. And I thought, well, maybe I should put some eyelashes on. But even putting eyelashes on, I don't think it's going to make a difference. Because like this hair is like really silky right here. It's really silky in the front. And I don't know, people. I'm just not feeling her. And I don't know what it is. I don't like the way she looks once she's brushed out. You know, I mean, like I said, I like this color, but I just don't think it's really working. Maybe this wig might work better in like a 4 or something, but I don't know. And like I said, this top is so shiny. I can't get over how shiny it is up here, but it's like more of a yaki-ish texture down here. I don't know. And I haven't even put powder in the parts yet. Why bother, right? But I'll do it anyway. But my goodness, I'm like really not feeling this wig. And yeah, and I really wish that I was feeling it, because I thought I was gonna love it. And I think I told you guys when I showed you the preview picture, the preview video that I did, that I thought maybe she might be something that I can take a chance on. She's not doing it at all for me. And it's not just the length that's bugging me. It's not just the length. I don't know, it's just the style of it. I don't know. It's like it has no style. It's like it's just here. You know, it's not really doing anything. It doesn't, I don't know. Like I said, some people might love it. And maybe in a 1B or a 2 or a 4 might be fabulous. But again, the shininess at the top is killing me. The fact that it's just kind of here is killing me. I feel like Lady Godiva in this wig. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I don't know, you guys. But for me, it's not a winner at all. I mean, it might be for one of you guys, but rarely do I find a wig that I just don't like at all. And this is one. So what I would suggest that you do, which is what I'm going to do, is to wait and see other people review her and see what they think about her, or if they feel like, you know, I mean, there's probably going to be some people that are going to be half up and half down in her. There's going to be people probably braiding her up. There's going to be people doing all kinds of stuff to her to make her work, but why put in all that work? She should be, you know, she should be banging out the box. She really should be. And I don't know, she's just not for me. So, and I can see her becoming a tangly mess at the end of the day. So, yeah. I'm so disappointed, but you know what? I can't really complain because I had Harina and she was the bomb. And I'm looking forward to another wig that's coming. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm looking forward to another one that's coming, and I have a feeling that one's going to be wonderful. So we'll have another exciting day, but today's not that day. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And as I always say, ladies, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.